Iraq's financial future. Latest updates on the Iraqi dinar and economic reforms. CBI denies US Treasury sanctions on Iraqi banks. Intel analyst Frank 26 recently shared insights from Firefly regarding Iraq's financial climate. According to Firefly, the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has strongly refuted claims that Iraqi banks are under sanctions by the US Treasury. The CBI dismissed these reports as misleading and emphasized that Iraqi citizens are aware of the false narratives circulating in the media. Frank 26 believes that such misinformation is deliberately spread to create doubt and delay Iraq's economic progress. He suggests that as Iraq moves closer to major financial reforms under Prime Minister al-Sudani, opposition forces may increase their efforts to disrupt stability. Despite these challenges, Frank 26 remains confident that the Iraqi government's policies will ultimately strengthen the country's financial system. Sandy Ingram on factors influencing the Iraqi dinar's value. Financial expert Sandy Ingram has highlighted key elements that could drive an increase in the Iraqi dinar's IQD value. These include growing adoption. As more businesses and individuals conduct transactions using the IQD, demand will rise, positively impacting its value. Investor speculation. Traders anticipating a revaluation may cause short-term price surges. Controlled supply. If the IQD's availability is limited while demand increases, its value could appreciate. Market psychology. Significant milestones, such as the IQD reaching 1 or 10 cents, may fuel additional investment and accelerate appreciation. Ingram argues that for the dinar to reach 0.1 USD, Iraq must undergo substantial economic shifts. Factors such as heightened investor confidence, economic stability, and government-backed policies would be essential. While a gradual increase is possible, external factors like global market conditions and economic fluctuations will also play a role in determining its trajectory. Militiaman on Iraq's global financial integration. Financial analyst Militiaman has pointed out that the UK has acknowledged Iraq's dedication to strengthening its private sector and attracting international investors. Organizations such as the Iraqi British Council and the World Bank recognize Iraq's growing potential in the global economy. Signs of Iraq's integration into international financial markets are becoming more evident. Prime Minister al-Sudani is actively pushing forward economic reforms, and this progress is encouraging for those invested in the IQD. Militiaman remains optimistic, believing that Iraq is heading in the right direction for economic growth and financial stability. Frank 26 on the CBI's currency strength reassurance. According to Firefly, the CBI recently addressed the public via a televised statement, assuring citizens that the Iraqi dinar will regain its strength and move toward a more balanced exchange rate. Frank 26 analyzed this announcement, questioning whether the current exchange rate of 1,310 Iraqi dinars per US dollar will soon be revised. He considers the current valuation imbalanced and speculates that Iraq may shift toward a 1-to-1 exchange rate or even higher. The CBI emphasized that a revaluation depends on the successful implementation of financial and banking reforms. Frank 26 views this as confirmation that Iraq is in the final stages of its monetary reform process, calling it the final countdown. Mark Z on Iraq's new exchange policies and market response. Intel analyst Mark Z recently discussed Prime Minister al-Sudani's economic strategies, emphasizing the importance of modernizing Iraq's financial system. His administration has introduced new exchange policies aimed at streamlining currency transactions, reducing bureaucratic delays to make exchanges faster and more efficient, boosting investor confidence, creating a more attractive financial environment for international investors, enhancing security with digital verification, implementing safeguards to prevent fraud and improve transaction transparency, offering better exchange rates for group transactions. Investors may secure more favorable terms when exchanging in bulk. These changes aim to modernize Iraq's financial sector and attract foreign capital. The government has pledged to keep investors informed by regularly publishing updates on these policy changes. Investor sentiment and market outlook reactions to the new exchange policies have been mixed. While some investors view them as a step toward financial modernization, others remain cautious about short-term market fluctuations. Financial analysts recommend monitoring market trends through credible sources, reviewing investment strategies and maintaining a diversified portfolio, consulting financial and legal experts before making major decisions. While the transition may bring temporary volatility, experts believe that in the long run, these reforms will contribute to a stronger,